Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Toria. Okay. I know. Too much, right? Too much. Okay. So if you read the title to the video, if you didn't and you're just watching to watch, then hi, welcome. But if you did, then you know this is my introduction to
my planner life.
Because I need to be on a planner if I have any hopes of keeping up with my schedule of posting every Monday and every Friday, sometimes Saturday instead, but every Monday and Friday, and filming on time. I need to have my planner. So I thought, why not introduce you to my planner, as well as show you a sticker club for planners. What? A sticker club? Okay, so I decided to jump on board the Erin Condren planner team, or not team, but planner fan team, we'll say. Yes. So that's what I went with this year. Not only can you customize your book, like the cover of your book and like the colors inside your book, and you could pick certain dates to dates. That's what really sold me, and I'll tell you why. Because I didn't need a book starting in January. I needed a book starting in October because I had things coming up, you know, and I needed it not to run all the way to December because I want to replenish my book come October, November. You know what I mean? So they had that exact thing. I don't know the name of my planner anymore. Let's see. I think it's the Life Planner. So I think it's the large one, but it's the Life Planner. Just like this, vertical layout is what I got. Yes. So we're gonna go over everything, but first I'm gonna put this back in here because not only can you customize your book, but they have everything. Every type of accessory you need for your book, they have it. They have folios to like slip your books into to keep them protected. They have purses. They have dashboards. Dashboards are like wipeable things. I'm ordering some so we can bring that into Planner Life shortly. I just haven't had a need for them just yet because I had a lot of things happening at the end of the year. So this is my folio. Look at this. So it's pink oranges, and then it says my initials, VVL, and then on the bottom it says Vida Bonita. Hey. So it's black with pink and green and white, and I love this so much, like so much. It has a little zipper in gold. Yes, gold, girl, golds. And it's the Erin Condren symbol on the zipper. It zips all the way around, and then you can open it to like work on your stuff like this. So these are my stickers that I purchased, not from Erin Condren, and I will get into those stickers next Planner Life video. This one, we're going to talk about the book, the folio, and the sticker club. And then my pens. I'll also get into that next one because I do use specific pens for my book. This is the front of my book. This is the front. Rewind. This is the front of my book. So my book is like a floral stitch, I believe it's called, but it really reminded me of like a Mexican dress. So that's what I wanted. And then it says Toria Bonita here because this is specifically to keep me on track for the Toria Bonita channel. So that's what I got. The back has the same. When you open it, it has this. So this is basically what a dashboard is. You can use a wipeable marker right here, and you can write notes, then clean it, and then rewrite it. The back has one with no lines, so that's pretty cool. You do get this on the book, so it snaps in, And this is how the dashboards snap in if you ever were to go and get one. So you just...
Can I do it with one hand? Snap them in. Are we in? I don't know. I can't get them in. The pizza's here. Okay, so you do get this attached to here. I can't open. Oh, because it has to go all the way up. It's like, why is this so hard?
Okay, so it does come with this like ruler on here, which is pretty cool. And then it just snaps on and off from there. Okay, so my book goes from November of 2019 all the way through November of 2020 right here on the tabs. I chose the vertical layout. Let's go to when that's not. So I'm going to go to July of next year where I don't have very much in here, I don't think. And so this is the vertical layout. And I'll show you why with their sticker club, why I picked the vertical layout. And then, yeah, this has been helping me immensely. And they're like, I think like $60. So I have to use it. Like, I don't want to waste my money. And so I've been loving this. Loving, loving, loving. I live with stickers for everything. Let's see. Like here. So this is for February, so next month. And I have like my little filming stickers, and it says post planner life video.
How convenient.
And this one says film on Wednesdays, and then post, you know, another video here. Yes. So I have been loving this. Loving. So if you want to see plan with me type videos where I show you exactly how I plan, even though I'm not the most organized or pretty when I plan, I still do plan every single day, Monday through Friday at least. Saturdays I kind of take a break. I'm going to show you guys all the stickers that I get from other places next time. However, right now we're going to jump into the sticker club. So this is the Erin Condren Sticker Club. I believe it's like $14.99 a month. I may be off just a little. It comes in like this envelope. I thought it was going to come in a box, but it didn't. So it came in here, and then you get like this whole kit here. So this first one is welcome to the sticker subscription club, and it gives you like all of this, and then it gives you like different things for different months. Like for winter, it gave us these first ones. So basically these go like in the verticals or whatnot, and you just make it all pretty in there. And this is how I live my life. I live my life by using stickers to plan my life, and so it makes it like a little bit fun. They also gave you these things here, which are more stickers. It says the future is bright, and beautiful, beautiful details in glitter. Happy New Year. I didn't use them because I was waiting for the video, but that's okay. And then, so like for Valentine's Day, which I'll probably use some of these, it gave us this set here. So this is the Valentine's like planner ones, and these are the Valentine's pretty designer ones. They're so pretty. I can't wait to fill the book with these. Then same thing for St. Patrick's Day, which are these here. How cute are these? So you get like a rainbow in there, you get butterflies and to do, and then here you get like a happy St. Patrick's Day, let your dreams be your wings, with like a horseshoe down here and a 4-leaf clover. These are so pretty. Can't wait to use those. The ones for Valentine's Day say Happy Valentine's Day, happiness blooms from within. Amen. Then you also get these really pretty glitter Valentine's ones. Oh, I'm a big glitter freak, so I can't wait to use these. So pretty. And then last but not least, you get these for all of your devices. These are Erin Condren, like the symbols. that they, I think it's her designer symbol. Yeah, so it's like that, but just flowerish. So these can go like all over your devices and things like that, which is pretty cool. So it's not every month, it's every 3 months, and you do get enough for like the next 3 months, which is cool. Yes. So I'm gonna link my specific planner down below. I'm gonna link the Erin Condren website, and I'm gonna link the sticker club all down below for anyone who wants to join. Let's do like a planner life like club in the comments or somewhere, you know, so I could put you on for where I get my stickers. You could put me on for where you get your stickers and your washi tape. I'm all for it. I'm all about it. I need organization. I do. Really bad. Okay, but anyways, that is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys like planner life, because I'm all about planner life, and I'm all about the stickers for the planner life and the accessories. Yeah, so if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Adios.